Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Let me share with you how I analyze market today and help my traders to bank amazing profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Let's move to three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD, let's look at in 4 hour. We had it such a beautiful short trade yesterday, as you can see it. So we were that's what in this morning I explained to my trader. Looks the price is respecting it after this journey, so we were expecting a pullback short trade here at this level. So that's what I did analysis at the Asian session. Look for pullback at this level. We had such a nice beautiful trade. At the New York session, we also had a counter long trade here at this breakout when the news was bad for the dollar manufacturer PMI. So we had this long counter long trade here and banked a few pips. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market in intraday, refine the entries and exit. As you can see here, yesterday we had such a beautiful short trade here. This was the trade. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, feel free to watch that video. Link is given in the video description. As you can see here, after this breakout, as always, expecting a pullback. That's what I did this analysis for the Asian session. Look for pullback at these levels. We have beautiful pullbacks and bank beautiful pips as soon as the price hit to the previous level, and the support level as the major support level in 4 hour at this level. So you can see here once the price hit to the target, and that's what I explained to my traders, time to bank some profit. And let's wait for the news. And after the news, I did this analysis. News was bad for the dollar. We have this counter long trade here, especially I explained when the price develop a false breakout, as you can see here. And then we have taken this long trade here as soon as the price hit to the fib channel, and at the you can see a 20 EMA in 4 hour, and that's what I explained to my trader. Either tighten your stop loss or bank some profit. So we had such a beautiful short trade in the morning and a long trade at the New York session after the news. All right, let's move into the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had a quite interesting trade. If you look at the 4 hour chart, as you can see here, yesterday we had this such a nice beautiful short trade here, and explain to my trader, look, the price respected and this previous low. Also, if you look at here, the price also respected here at the support levels. And if you look at here, we have the rejection. This candle is giving us the rejection. So explain to my trader, if the price is going to respect this level, then we're expecting a long trade here. As you can see here, after that we have also had a bullish engulfing candle is developed. After the bullish, we also had price came back and retest. So we have taken all this advantage of long trade here and bank beautiful pips once the price hit to the previous high. So let me share with you how I analyze market in intraday to refine the entries and exit. And if you look at the intraday analysis, and if you look at the 4 hour chart, and let me make it slightly bigger so at least you can see. Okay, so this is the short trade we had yesterday and afterwards, and this morning I explained to my trader, price develop another symmetry triangle pattern. We explained all these price respected these levels. Momentum was developed bullish, and in 4 hour you can see here with this rejection. So more likely we are expecting a long trade here based on the momentum. We have this breakout. We also had a pullback. The target nicely hit, and that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit. And let's wait to the New York session. And the New York session, I explained to my trader here, once the price was at this level, I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. As you can see, the breakout is performed and the news was good for the dollar. So, and momentum was bullish, so it makes sense to break out. And after the breakout, I also explained to look for pullback. So technically, if you look at based on this analysis, our bias was long based on this 4 hour candle. So we had a beautiful breakout long. After the breakout, we have another beautiful pullback, and as you can see here, price nicely hit to the profit target, which is technically, if you look at the previous high in 4 hours, so we can see here we really enjoyed profiting on pound dollar. So amazing trade. All right, so dollar CAD, we also had interesting trades. If I'll show you the dollar CAD, if you look at the 4 hour, yesterday we really squeezed all this journey, and you can watch my yesterday analysis. And as always, simple price action. After this breakout, we're expecting a pullback. So we have this short trade here. Even last night I explained to my trader, look for this short trade at this level, and we had such a nice beautiful short trade here. And we also had a long trade here, small this pullback once the price developed this bank few pp's. At the New York session, we also had the short trade here. So we really enjoyed today, but we really had a fun yesterday. But let me share with you how I analyze it today and refine the entries and exit. We had amazing trade in the New York session. All right, so if you look at, let me share to you guys. So if you look at from yesterday, we had this long journey, bang beautiful pips. Today, as soon as the price respected this level, major resistance level, and explain to my trade, look for this breakout. And technically, if you look at here, sort of like a head and shoulder pattern is developed. The safest way is a breakout. We had this breakout. After the breakout pullback, as soon as the price hit to the 100 EMA in our intraday system and the support level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. And I did another analysis, as you can see here, after the banking some pips, I did analysis, look for here. So technically, if you look at here, the price developed a double bottom here in intraday, price broken and retest. Based on this analysis, we had this breakout long trade here as the first target of always be the first fib channel, which price nicely hit and bank some profit. And then I expect to my trader, let's wait for the New York session. As you can see here, after the New York, and that's what we already had this journey before the news, and that's what I explained to my trader. Now we can see here, this is giving us the false breakout, plus in 4 hour we have this rejection. So more likely we're expecting here, am I gonna have double top? So looking here breakout. So mainly we are looking a short trade here. I explained to me, look for pullback or this breakout, and then if the price gonna break this one, then keep taking a short trade here. We had this breakout, bank some profit first at the 200 EMA, and the news was in our favor. As you can see here, price nicely came back here as soon as the price hit this level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see here dollar CAD, we really enjoyed it and bank amazing profit. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed. That's what exactly we do. We analyze in 4 hour, we refine entries and exit and banking pips every day. And if you would like, as always mentioned, if you would like to see all that analysis in real time with a live audio commentary support, and if you really want to banking pips in real time, or even if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I train and coach traders in live trading system through the live market, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are an experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy peeping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.